Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and to another What I Eat Today. Thank you so much for joining me for a fantastic day of food, and you're actually joining me at the very beginning of my day today. If it's Eid for you today or yesterday, kul aam bkhair. I hope you had a fantastic day with family and friends, and I hope everyone else is doing well. Anyway, I mentioned in my last video my April favourites that I have been away, but I'm really trying to upload as much as I can with the busyness of moving. So today I'm filming, so I hope you're all excited for that. And I'm going to start the day with breakfast, obviously. I went to Tesco last night, I picked up more hot cross buns. Honestly, I'm obsessed with them. I absolutely love them, and I'm so happy that they don't just sell them at Easter time. So I'm going to have one of these, and sadly, those of you that watched my last vlog will know I picked up some amazing jam literally a week ago, yesterday, or was it a week ago today? I think it was a week ago tomorrow, on Friday, and I've already finished that entire jar of jam. That is how much I loved it. I've never finished a full jar of jam, wow, in a week. That is, honestly, it's insane. But today I'm using this one, which is a Tesco's black currant conserve. I love this as well, but that one by Miss Darlington, or Mrs. Darlington, was just amazing. I am definitely going to get more of that. I'm going to check Ocado, see if they sell it. If not, I'm going back to the organic shop. But I'm going to have that with my beloved maple butter, and yeah, it should be a really cool day. I think for lunch I'm going to have some kind of sandwich. For dinner tonight I'm probably going to whip up something comforting, and I hope you all enjoy it. By the way, anyone who's wondering, this tank is similar to another one that I own, which is much longer and baggier. This is a bit more fitting. It's kind of like a cricket jumper but without the sleeves. This shirt is from Mango. This is from H&M. I will link it down below, and my jeans are misguided. There is my hot cross buns. Honestly, look at that. How, I mean, come on, it's just so delicious. I'm gonna also have it with some OJ. This is just the Tesco smooth. I prefer the ones with bits in, but Layla has an issue with that one for some reason, so I tend to get this one, but it's delicious anyways. So yeah, I'm gonna go and enjoy that, get some work done, and then we will come down for lunch. Right, so it's now time for lunch. I have this gorgeous sourdough sliced loaf from Tesco, and these are really lovely big slices. So actually, I'm only going to require one of these, and I'm going to cut it in half. It also has fruit in there as well, but you can get this plain, so it's, you know. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it in half, and then I'm going to toast it, and I'm going to make like a toasted chicken sandwich. I have a roast chicken here that I'm going to warm up some of it. I have some béarnaise sauce, which I adore with chicken, a bit of cheese in my little wrap, and again I'm going to toast the sourdough. I leave the skin on, you know, I think it's the best part, to be quite honest, but the majority of the meat that I'm taking here is chicken breast. So I have my chicken here. I'm going to pop that in the microwave. Won't take long, about 50 seconds. It really doesn't take long at all. And in the meantime, I am going to cut a bit of cheese. There was once a time where I would weigh cheese out, but obviously I don't really do that anymore. Time again where I need to go and get Layla. I am going to take one of these beautiful peaches on my walk. I love snacking on peaches throughout the day, and I always tend to take one on the walk. A nice soft fuzzy peach, and I'm actually going to preheat the oven as well, because when I get back I quite fancy having a cookie with some soft serve, which has kind of become one of my afternoon treats, if I'm honest. Just a bit of ice cream with a cookie. It just seems to pep me up. Admittedly, I probably shouldn't have it so close to dinner, but it's just kind of become a bit of habit. So I'm going to have that after I get back in from the school run, and I'll most likely have a cup of tea as well, or a coffee. But yeah. We've decided to go for a bit of a quick fix when it comes to tea. So I'm whipping up some mash, and I'm going to do some sausages with peas. To be honest, It's something that we don't have often, but when we have it, we really enjoy it. So I'm gonna maybe whip up some gravy as well, although I might end up having mine with mash and beans instead of gravy and peas, but we'll see what we fancy. But I'm gonna get these caramelizing on the pan. I do it in a cast iron. I start on the hob and then I put it in the oven and let them bubble away until they are nice and cooked. So all I do is put some demerara sugar in the pan, in the frying pan. I fry them gently so they can develop a bit of colour, and then I pop them in the oven. That sausage was so good, so comforting and delicious, and I ended up having it with some peas and mash and gravy, as you saw. And I'm going to end the night here, but before I do, I'm going to have my nightly orange and also a plum as well. And I'm going to call it a day. But thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you're new to my channel to see these frequently from me, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!